Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Canva in the most simple way that I've ever found, and that is creating and selling digital and printable notebooks using Canva. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create them and how to sell them. Let's get started. So our step one is to create and design a digital notebook in Canva. Open up Canva or sign up and then click on create, custom size, choose inches, 8.5 times 11 and click create new design. So we're starting with the cover, especially for a printable version. The cover is super important. Later, I'm going to show you how to create the printable version as well. Also, I want to mention one thing. It's super important to also offer custom designs if you can. So for a printable version, people can send you their photo of their, family member, pets, friends, and stuff like that. You can put it on and you can print it. I'm going to actually discuss this later, but for now, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how we can create different kinds of patterns, different kinds of designs of these covers. So on Canva, you already see a bunch of different patterns. You can just drag and drop. You can actually copy and paste and expand these patterns if they're not exactly fitting like I showed you. Next thing is we want to add a simple note on the cover saying notebook. You can put whatever you want, but for this particular design, if you're going to be following exactly what I'm doing, you're going to actually get a pretty good simple design. So on the second page, you want to put notes, you want to put date, and bear in mind, you have to understand what are your target clients, especially when you're selling these products, these digital products on Etsy, on your own website, on Gumroad, on Amazon, and similar kind of places. Wherever you're going to be selling this, think about what is your target clients. This is super important. I've personally made a lot of money with digital products, but this was around specifically selling courses, selling guides and stuff like that. And I was always thinking, okay, who is my target audience? What are they actually looking for? So in this case, think about it. If I'm using this kind of design, who is my target audience? Well, most of the time is going to be women, right? This design looks very female oriented. So, and that's the thing. I want to actually have a female oriented audience buying these things. By the way, a lot of buyers on Etsy are actually female, especially in these categories of printable and digital notebooks. That's why I'm creating this design in such a style. So you want to add some flowers, you want to add some leaves, you want this to look really stylish, really delicate. Now just duplicate this, and obviously the pages are going to be all the same. So you have date, you have notes, because these are not really changing, but the cover of course can change. So once you added all of your pages, the step two is to download the notebook. Now this is currently a digital version, so all we can do is we can simply download it in RGB color code. But it's really important, if you're going to be using it as a printable, choose CMYK because it's more suited for actually printing. Step 3, this video is sponsored by PRBoost.io, the go-to PR platform for brands that want instant authority. Well, it basically gets you published on major media outlets like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, and over 200 other sites with no PR agency required. But the best part is they also write the press release for you as well, and that's already included in the price. If you're on a website, you need a PR package. Adding as seen on media badges instantly builds trust and significantly boosts conversions. PR Boost is rated 4.9 stars on reviews.io with hundreds of satisfied clients. I'm gonna drop the link in my description, so go check them out, get featured, get trusted, get results. Create variation. So I'm going to show you how to create some variations of this. And obviously, if you're going to be selling it on Etsy or Amazon or Gumroad or even your own website, these digital products absolutely required to have variations, required to have different kinds of styles. If you're gonna create just one notebook and you're gonna walk away thinking, okay, this is now gonna bring me a bunch of passive income, that's really not true. One of my neighbors, he's actually a digital products Etsy seller. I spoke with him. He's selling different kinds of 3D printed templates, 3D product templates on Etsy. And he was telling me, you know what, I have a bunch of products, like 100 products. Only a few of those products are generating me regular sales. So that's really important. Like, if you want to get regular sales on these platforms, you must have different variations. You must have different products. You cannot simply just make one or two different products, different variations, and think, oh, now a lot of money will just roll into my bank account. No, you have to continuously make more and more of these products if you want to grow a big business. I personally know a few sellers on Etsy, and myself included. I've also made money on Etsy. I've sold specifically stickers, not digital printable stickers. So I know how to sell on Etsy. I've made money on there, and I haven't made money in every single niche on Etsy because there's hundreds, but I know quite a few niches. Step 4, offer printable version. So for that, we're actually going to be using Printify. These days, it's so easy to have printed products. When I was starting out, when I had my Etsy store a few years ago, like I said, selling stickers, it was actually quite hard because there was none of these like print on demand companies that would actually help you to print stuff. You had to find like a local print shop. It was actually a lot harder. So sign up to Printify, and I'm gonna quickly show you how you can basically connect Printify, for example, to Etsy or to any other store that they support. And then what you can basically do is you can actually sell printed version, and Printify will do the printing. This is absolutely amazing. These are the stores you can connect, okay? And with that in mind, all we really need to do is we need to actually upload that digital version on Printify and choose a product. For example, a spiral notebook. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna just scroll down quickly until I find this notebook, right? And here I need to basically match and upload and just overlay my design on here. And if somebody will buy it, like I said, I can connect it straight to Printify and it will print on demand. So whenever someone buys it, I can send them a printed version. Of course, it's not going to be super cheap. It's going to be a lot more expensive than a digital version, but I can actually sell somebody a printed version and send it straight to their house. The coolest part is that, like I said, there is an option to make custom notebooks. So if somebody buys from you and says, you know what, I want to have my pet, my friend, my family member, whatever, on this cover, you can actually do that with Printify. So you can just upload it and basically sell a one-off design at a much higher price. So I showed you how to do it. Step 5 is finalize the listings. Printify provides a lot of different mock-up ideas that you can use for your designs. But what you effectively want to do is you want to understand that, you know, just creating this product will not get you anywhere. You actually have to create marketing material. You actually have to have a lot of different mock-ups, and then you have to list those mock-ups somewhere for sale. If you have them on your computer, on your Printify, it doesn't do anything. You have to create a proper sales page and then of course upload it somewhere. Like I said, Etsy, Amazon, Gumroad, maybe Shopify website where you run ads, maybe sell on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and stuff like that, maybe on TikTok. It's your creativity, and like I said, just creating the design does nothing. You have to actually list it, and that's how you're gonna make money. If you like this video, check out my channel for more money making ideas.